everybody. So we are here at Camelback Resort. We're in the parking lot and we're about to do a hike to Big Pocono State Park. And I've got my son with me today. And we're here for a very special event. So we're going to be hiking 3 miles up to Big Pocono State Park. And this is to benefit the American Cancer Society. And this is their Climb to Conquer Cancer. But I'm really excited about this. Big Pocono is just a beautiful state park with amazing views. Driving here, it was a little bit foggy, but the fog has kind of cleared. So I think we're going to be able to bring you some really awesome views. We're going to meet a lot of great people here today. I know there's a lot of Pennsylvania outdoor content creators that are going to be at this event. So it's going to be really exciting. And best of all, we're going to be helping the American Cancer Society. And I know if you're like so many of us, I know so many people in my own life personally that have had cancer or are currently fighting a battle with cancer. So this is an issue that affects us all, and it's for a really great cause. The American Cancer Society provides support, advocacy, research, all kinds of stuff to aid people who are fighting cancer battles.
This event originated in Flagstaff, Arizona, and also takes place in Phoenix, Arizona. And we were fortunate to have it brought here. We were approached about bringing it to Pocono, and we picked Big Pocono State Park. We have Camelback completely supporting us, so all the stars aligned, and here we are.
Enjoy your day, support each other, smile, and thank you again.
So this will definitely leave you out of breath. You're on a road, which you think is easy, but it's uphill the entire time. So we finished the climb and we're up here at Summit House. They have a lot of different activities. They have a band, they have food for sale. The views are beautiful, looking down kind of out at the Camelback Resort and stuff, but really beautiful area, and there's a nice cool breeze blowing on top of the mountain. So we did it. We did our Climb to Conquer Cancer. My son and I had a wonderful time at the Climb to Conquer Cancer event. It started on time. The hike was a little bit challenging up the road. It was pretty steep, but nothing too unmanageable. And Big Pocono is such a beautiful state park. You would walk along the road up there and there would just be amazing overlooks and honeysuckle and the sound of birds and things. So a really, really pretty park. There's a number of trails up there, so I encourage you to check it out. And just remember that this state park in Pennsylvania is only open seasonally, so don't try to come here in the winter. Summit House up there was really beautiful. The views from where you could sit and eat a meal were amazing. They had a band playing 90s music. They had some food and just the views looking up there. So it was a really, really great day, and for a super good cause to help the American Cancer Society. So next year in May, definitely check this one out and come and climb it for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.